the all-new T-Bird Shag Party. The music, the dancing, the fun, featuring the best shaggers on television today from the Carolinas, the birthplace of shag. And now, here's your host, T-Bird.
You're back, Shaggin with T-Bird, another Sunday afternoon, some of the finest of beach at RMB. Good to have everybody with us once again. Look at this, Atlantic Beach Shag Club at Atlantic Beach. Look now. Turn around. Now, this is a big billboard. Showboat, how you doing, buddy? Are you ready to have a good time?
Oh, yeah.
Crank her up for me, Milton. A little bit of Eugene Bridges and nothing but good time.
Let me tell you now, come on and let the good time roll. We're gonna stay here till we soothe our soul, if it take all night long. Yeah, everybody let the good time roll. We're gonna stay here till we soothe our soul, if it take all night long. Gotta tell you, evening sun is sinking low. Clock on the wall says it's time to go. I got my plans, I don't know about you. I think exactly what I'm gonna do. Get in the groove and let the good time roll. Now we're gonna stay here till we soothe our soul, if it take all night long. Yeah, everybody let the good time roll. We're gonna stay here till we soothe our soul, if it take all night long. One more thing, it might be 1 o'clock and it might be 3. Now time don't mean that much to me. I ain't felt this good 'cause I don't know when, and I might not feel this good again. Get in the groove and let the good time roll. We're gonna stay here till we soothe our souls, if it take all night long. Yeah, and all night, all night, and all night, all night, and all night, all night, all night long, all night. Somebody say, all night long, all night, and all night, and all night, all night. Oh, come on and let the good time roll. We're gonna stay here till we soothe our soul, if it take all night long. Whoa, la la ta da, la 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 ta da, la 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 all night long. Gotta tell 'em now, come on and let the good time roll. Now we're gonna stay here till we soothe our soul, if it take all night long. One more time, come on and let the good time roll. Now we're gonna stay here till we soothe our soul, if it take all night long. One more thing, now it might be 1 o'clock and it might be 3. Time don't mean that much to me. I got my plans, I don't know about you. I think exactly what I'm gonna do. Get in the groove and let the good time roll. Now we're gonna stay here till we soothe our soul, if it take all night long. Now all night, and all night, and all night, all night long. I'm gonna stay right here all night long. I got this feeling, don't wanna lose it. I got a feeling, moving all over, nothing but a party all night long. Somebody say, stay
bit of Eugene Bridges right here with the Bern Shag Party. I'll tell you what, all night long, and we'll stay here doing it once again right here at the House. Good to have everybody with us. Let's see here. Mr. Eric, how are you?
I'm doing good. How you doing?
One of our younger shaggers around. Good to have you with us tonight.
Thank you.
Kim was around here somewhere. Where was she at? There she is. Don't be camera shy. I'm not going to bite. We got Eric on this side and Kim on this side. How you doing tonight?
Okay.
You ready to dance a little bit more? Good. We're going to give you some old classic for the old folks in here. Little Leopold and May I. Be doing only Little Leopold right with the Bern Shag Party going out to Eric and Kim. Good to have you with us. Some of our newest shaggers. We do appreciate it. And let's see here. The Showman did that originally, I believe. My mind don't get one of those little bubbles in it again. Are we ready now, Milton? We got to introduce everybody to Milton in a few minutes also. Line it up, my man. Go ahead, Mr. B.B. King. Beach and Boogie Blues with the Bern Shag Party and Blues in G.
Stay the same. Hey, you on the top now, baby, but don't nothing stay the same. Every now and then, baby, Lady Luck deals another hand. Oh, you calling me your pal now, when I used to be your man. Hey, you calling me your pal now, baby, when I used to be your man. Oh, you're flying real high now, baby. Go on and raise your sand.
bit of Mr. B.B. King and Blues in G. Good to have everybody with us another Sunday afternoon, Shaggin with T-Bird. Mr. Wayne Moore, how you? Can you see this man? He drove in a car tonight, usually rides with a Harley. There's Marie, works in the front office, nationwide. Give me $10. Good to have y'all with us. Now see, you're getting old as I am, but you're a little bit older. I got more hair, and it's nowhere near as gray. Well, look, Wayne's still a kid at heart like the rest of you. A little bit of Sean Christian in the Carolina Band. Sean Christian, the Carolina Band, and still a kid at heart. I don't know if anybody got a shot of what just went on. Them some purty legs. And we'd like to say happy birthday to you. Coming up May 16th, I believe. Well, happy birthday. Come with me. You saw how we celebrated birthdays last week. Now we're going to do another one. And I'll give you a little plug about the antique store, Mama Stuff, there in Pollocksville. Prettiest little antique store you'll ever see right there on 17 in Pollocksville. I'll tell you what, this lady is having her birthday. We're not going to say how old, because you're in your early 40s. I'm good, aren't I? If we get Max out here, we'll let him start out the birthday dance. You know the story, people. Help her out. Gentlemen, it's her birthday. Miss Angie Taylor, happy birthday, darling. Ladies and gentlemen, Angie Taylor. Turning another year older. You didn't do too bad either, Max. Thing is, you stop. You go about 3 or 4 seconds, stop and let everybody else take care of the problem. And then you come back at the end. Happy birthday. Hope you have a lot more. Still shagging with T-Bird. We'd like to take just a minute to bring another special person out if we got time, which I know we do. Taffy, where are you at? I got her. How you doing?
I'm doing fine. How are you?
Courtney's Beach and Shag Club, one of our great sponsors on the rodeo. Good to have you with us tonight.
It's so nice to be here this afternoon, away from the beach for a little while.
Well, the weather down there is no better than it is up here. But we're having a good time, though, aren't we?
Yes, we are.
Give them the schedule at Courtney's.
Next Friday night, we have Bill Moore playing. Next Saturday night, we have the number 2 juke joint jouster, this fella, T-Bird.
You know what's bad about being second? If you're not first, that means you're second. You're the first to lose. We're practicing up now. All I can say is Russell better watch out.
That's right. You're going to be ready for him.
Shag lessons.
Tuesday night, 6:30 with Judy Duke doing 4 classes.
And Friday night,
Bill Moore.
ladies' night.
Listen, ladies' night and domestic beer for $1.50.
I appreciate you coming out this afternoon. And we'll see you down at Courtney's. Miss Taffy, good to have you with us. And we'll do one song for you. How about that? A little bit of Dudley Birch going out to Miss Taffy. A little bit of Dudley Birch right here with the Bern Shag Party. I tell you what, just can't let you go. Go down to Miss Taffy from Courtney's Beach and Shag Club. Good to have everybody here with us. We got more beach and R&B coming up for you right here with the Bern at the Orr House on a Sunday afternoon. Back Shaggin with T-Bird. We'd like to introduce you to our DJ. Last month for the 3 shows, he was here for us. He's with the Cape Fear Shag Association out of Wilmington. Plays at Corvettes in Wilmington quite a bit. Milton White, how you doing?
Doing just fine. Great to be here again.
Well, you're doing a good job. I'm the one messing up tonight. You're the one keeping me straight.
You taught me well.
Tell you what, Milton, good to have you with us as always. You can hear Milton down in Surf City. You can also hear him at Corvettes on Friday nights there in Wilmington on Highway 17. Check him out. He's got the music for you. Crank it up, man. Hey, we're built for comfort, aren't we? A little bit of Roy Rogers right here with the Bern Shag Party and Bill for Comfort. We'd like to bring in Presidente Twin River Shag Club, Mr. Austin Waters. How you doing?
Doing great, T-Bird. We're doing good.
What we got here?
Well, we got the plaque from the Juke Joint Joust, which we just had a few weeks ago. We talked about it, I think, on a couple of weeks ago on your show. And we got a plaque here for second place to go with our 3 first place plaques on the wall right over here at the Orr House. And they got us this year, T-Bird, but we're going to be back next year.
We'll be back, won't we?
We will be back.
Good enough. And coming up, let's see, in June, the big benefit with Twin River Shag Club.
Yes, on June 11th at 8 o'clock at the Farmers Market right here in New Bern. We're going to have our annual fundraiser for hospice, and we're real proud of this event. Last year we raised over $9,000, and we had the Band of Oz coming back, as we have had for the last several years. And we have a great, great turnout for this event, and it's become a tradition for Twin River Shag Club. And you'll be there along with Judy Duke. Judy Duke will be teaching beginning shag lessons at 7 o'clock on that Friday evening on June 11th. And then we're going to turn it over to the Band of Oz at 8, and they're going to give us some of the best beach music you can hear in the eastern North Carolina.
That's right, coming up June the 11th, right there at the Farmers Market here in New Bern. Hope everybody show up for Twin Rivers doing their annual hospice thing. Like I say, we want to break 10,000 this year for hospice. So I tell you what, people, come on down, get your tickets early. You can get them just about anywhere. And the Band of Oz will be there doing this one for us. Thank you, Austin.
Thank you, T-Bird.
Your reputation has preceded you. You always heard someone who needed you. It doesn't take long for news to get around, and now you're on the rebound. 'Cause you broke the only heart that ever loved you, and you tossed away the only love you knew. As if nothing mattered, you battered and shattered a heart so true, only to wake up to find that the breakup was breaking the heart of you. And now you come to me for consolation, and I feel fool to fall for such a line. Yes, you broke the only heart that ever loved you. And now that I met you, I'm not gonna let you break mine. Driver, drive by Mary's place. I just want a chance to see her face. Don't stop the meter, let it race. Cab driver, drive by Mary's place. Cab driver, once more round the block. Never mind the ticking of the clock. I only wish we could have heard her talk. Cab driver, once more round the block. You always hurt the one you love, the one you shouldn't hurt at all. You always take the sweetest rose and crush it till the petals fall. You always break the kindest heart with a hasty word you can't recall. So if I broke your heart last night, it's because I love you most of all.
just pouring black. I don't take green. Life must be something more than one cup for a dime. Tonight I need a donut and a dream. Tonight I need a donut and a dream.
Be doing only band of balls right here with the Bern Shag Party. I tell you what, they'll be at the Farmers Market with Twin River Shag Club coming up June the 11th. People, hey, don't miss it. A great benefit with Twin Rivers and Hospice. Don't get no better. And we're going to be back with more Beach and R&B right after this word from our great sponsors. Ladies and gentlemen, you're back shagging with T-Bird. This man, Tommy Sing Sing, sits here every Sunday night. He never moves, never dances. He just sits here. But I've got to show you what happened at SOS. They had this thing done. A bunch of people from Twin River Shag Club. There's Dottie and Tank and everybody. But if you can get a close-up on that one right there. It says, I'm available, he's clean, and he's housebroken. Tommy Sings, you've been following me a long time, man. Ain't nothing but a picture of you. We do appreciate it. A little bit of the boys' zone, right with the Bern Shag Party, going down to Tommy Sing Sing. Still hasn't left his perch yet. We do appreciate it. Happens every Sunday afternoon. Tell you what, people, you're here with the Bird, and we're at Door House doing it once again. We're going to be moving the show around the area. Be going down to Courtney's a little bit. Be going to Memories Beach Club. Where's, oh, there he is. Can you follow me just a minute? Just a little bit. Representative from Memories, Mr. Alan Sheeler. We're going to move over here. Get your good side. Ladies and gentlemen, Alan Sheeler with Memories Beach Club. How you doing?
Just great, just great. This is wonderful.
How's the crowd and what's your schedule at Memories?
Well, we're open on Wednesday, Friday, and Saturday night. Eddie Smith, the house DJ, has shag lessons on Wednesday evening starting at 7. And then, of course, we have different DJs coming in on the weekends. But it's great.
And a good set of DJs coming in every weekend. Nice patio out back.
Nice patio. We're planning to do a dance floor out back. And let me say this. I think that Courtney's and our club, are just wonderful for shag. Look, those guys there's a bunch of them in it. There's 1,300 of us in it. So none of us got in it for the money. We're all in it because we love shag. And I've been taking lessons for 4 years at Courtney's, and I've danced 1,000 miles there, and I plan to do it in the future.
You don't have many thousand miles left on you, Alan. Alan Sheeler, picking on you, my man. Memories Beach Club, Courtney's Beach Club. I tell you what, people, you can't get no better. Got plenty of places to go. Crank it up for me, my man. It is Beach and R&B. Say, Lord, let the wind blow.
Didn't have my baby by my side. Well, when the sun rose this morning, I didn't have my baby by my side. Well, I didn't know where she was. She was out with some other guy. Down the moon looked lonesome, shining down through the trees. Shining down through the trees. Don't your arms look lonesome when your baby's packing up to leave? Blow my baby back to me. Hey, blow wind, blow my baby back to me. Now if I don't hurry up and find her, my heart's gonna be in misery. Darling, that's all I got to say. Yes, I said goodbye, babe. Darling, that's all I got to say. 'Cause you're no good trifling woman. Always got to have your own way. back to me. Hey, blow wind, blow my baby back to me. Man, if I don't soon hurry to find her, my heart's gonna be in misery. Let's get out of here, boys.
Jimmy Rogers and Jeff Healy and Blow Wind Blow. Good to have you with us, people, right here at Doorhouse, doing it once again, putting it on TV right here with Bern Shag Party. People, I'll tell you what, you're looking good. I'd like to say hello to Miss Dottie. How you doing? And Mikey Parker once again, and Mr. Tom Jones. And, hey, Mr. Man in the Moon.
Christopher Columbus sailed the ocean blue. In Portugal, his love, she stayed behind. But each September night in 1492, the heavens helped old Chris give her a sign. He'd say, hey, Mr. Man in the Moon, looking on my baby. Hey, Mr. Man in the Moon, won't you see she's all right? I can't be with her tonight, but I know that I'll be with her soon. Till then, I'll be needing a friend, Mr. Man in the Moon. See, Bonaparte, apart from all the things he loved. See, Josephine in not so gay Paris. The special message needs a special messenger. Napoleon knows just who that should be. He'd say, hey, Mr. Man in the Moon, looking on my baby. Hey, Mr. Man in the Moon, won't you see she's all right? I can't be with her tonight, but I know that I'll be with her soon. Till then, I'll be needing a friend, Mr. Man in the Moon. Now here you are, far away from me. I'll sing you a page right out of history. Hey, Mr. Man in the Moon, looking on my baby. Hey, Mr. Man in the Moon, won't you see she's all right? I can't be with her tonight, but I know that I'll be with her soon. Till then, I'll be needing a friend, Mr. Man in the Moon. Till then, I'll be needing a friend, Mr. Man in the Moon. Till then, I'll be needing a friend, Mr. Man in the Moon. Oh, till then, I'll be needing a friend, Mr. Man in the Moon. Yes, till then, I'll be needing a friend, Mr. Man in the Moon.
We're doing only Mr. Tom Jones right here with the Bird Shy Party. Going out to Mikey Parker and Miss Dottie and, hey, Mr. Man in the Moon. We've enjoyed it, people. Been another 1 hour of beach and boogie blues with the Bern Shag Party here at the Orr House. We're going to do it again next week, and I hope y'all will come back and see us again. Please drive careful. God bless you, and you're right here with the Bern Shag Party. Hey, line it up, people. A little bit of tush-push music. Let me see what you got. And she dropped a bomb on me. Yes, we have enjoyed it, people. Hope you have. We'll see you next week right back here at the Orr House, Shaggin' with T-Bird. Some of the finest in beach and R&B.
You were the girl that changed my world. You were the girl for me. You lit the fuse, I stand accused. You were the first for me, but you turned me up. You dropped the bomb on me, baby. You dropped the bomb on me, but you turned me on. You dropped the bomb on me, baby. You dropped the bomb on me. You were my thrills, you were my thrills. You dropped the bomb on me. You turned me out, you turned me on. You turned me loose, and you turned me wrong. You dropped the bomb on me, baby. You dropped the bomb on me. But you turned me out, you dropped the bomb on me, baby. You dropped the bomb on me. Just like Adam and Eve, said you set me free. You took me to the sky, I've never been so high. You were my fear.
You've been watching the all-new T-Bird Shag Party. The music, the dancing, the fun. Join us again next time for the best shaggers on television today from the Carolinas, the birthplace of shag. The T-Bird Shag Party.
Baby.